Austria, home of Red Bull, Niki Lauda,
Fun time
Austria,
rides.
mountain coasters, and Fantasiana, where we are right now to ride the brand new Zouber Express. So we're gonna check it out in a little bit, but first we're going on the insane Pax Mine Train with this insane hill that everybody talks about right there. Oh my God. So let's go and try this thing out. Oh wow.
Fantasiana looks clean cut and well built, just like this whole country feels. It's always refreshing to be at a park that has charm instead of a bunch of big concrete open areas, and this is one of those charming parks. First up was the Pax Roller Coaster, and as you can see, it looks totally insane. The Russian company Pax designs this wild-looking ride. The supports are extremely interesting to look at. You can see that triangular support structure on the lift that you think would be used on a massive coaster, but it's used here on this really smaller scale ride. And this is one wild family ride that is quite intense, as you can probably tell by looking at the odd shaping throughout this entire layout. It's very tight, and you can just see how the cars, go through it in that odd way. As of 2013, Pax stopped manufacturing roller coasters, but all the remaining ones are known to have those certain sections that are very different looking for the size of the rides that they do make. They really shape elements in ways that are very intense for their size.
Oh no.
After this strange roller coaster, we check out the rest of the park, which has a nice blend of lightly themed flat rides and indoor attractions, and also pathways filled with fairy tale-like dioramas.
Wow! Oh, what is happening?
The indoor drop tower, pretty much the ride that you see at the entrance of the park, was a really nice surprise. It's kind of unassuming, and it's got a good mix of large animatronics and scenes as you rise into the air, a nice queue. It's places like these that really make you sad that the USA lost so many small town, roadside amusement parks as corporate America continues to just take over. We're really missing out on these tiny parks in the US. As we walk towards a dark ride that's tucked into the far corner of the long and skinny layout that this amusement park offers, on the way we see some nice landscaping and other attractions that the park has, such as this log flume with its small footprint, but it includes a turntable and an elevator-style lift hill. It's a nice feature for the scale of the ride and really surprising.
Oh, wedgie. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Ah! Oh, wow! Oh!
Sinbads Adventure Journey. This was a classic attraction, one that's worth riding and pretty nostalgic. It takes you on Sinbad's spooky and dangerous 1001 Nights adventure. Of course, it's always kind of hard to understand when it's not in English for us, but I mean, it also makes it a little bit better because of that.
Nerven, dann kommt mit auf meine fantastische.
We'd surprisingly run into the founder and the owner of Art Engineering, who told us a bit about the new Friedeline Zouber Express, Magic Express roller coaster based around the park's mascot, and really one of the best true family coasters that I've ever been on. It's smooth, the transitions are comfortable, so both old and young can enjoy this ride. Every generation can ride this and love it. And a big thanks to Simon for telling us the storyline of the coaster and showing us around the brand new Magic Village, which is filled with custom I'm a Score music and Austria's only Coke freestyle machine.
He drives with the magic, he has the wrong magic spell. So the train is going in the wrong direction. And then he's doing the right magic spell. And then the train is going in the...
Flatterflug und ab der Zug!
Flatterflug und Achselflug.
we rode Hagrid.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we were like, oh, okay, cool. We were already in the plannings for this one, and there was planned a lift, a normal lift hill.
Yeah.
And then we were like, oh, okay, lounges are cool. They have like 7, we go for 5.
Classic park attractions line the pathways throughout the park, and we've been told that when we return, we'll have to take part in the rides that we missed, most notably Castle Dracula, which is a walkthrough attraction unlike any other in the world. There's also a 4D attraction and a show that we didn't have time for on this trip. Overall, Fantasiana has to be the surprise of the trip so far. This quaint amusement park isn't too well known, yet it's filled with modern rides and classics, and each one holds something special. It's a park built for families and geared more towards kids, but one that all can have a great time at. One that clearly has the imagination of many smart and talented individuals that care for the theme park experience. From the theming on pathways, the queues, the upkeep of rides, music, to the original storyline and tales told at this park, this is one that they're really stepping up their game. They may not have the budget of some of the larger parks, but Fantasiana proves that things can be done right.
Well, we just got done with Fantasiana, and it was a really pleasant surprise. You can tell that with recent attractions, they're going for quality. The drop tower was incredible. The Starflyers themed, the log flume for the small footprint that it was in, that was like crazy.
It was really good.
Quality for sure. The new ride is quality too, yeah.
Every ride here was special and holds that nostalgia that you go to a theme park for. Definitely a park where memories are made, and one that a family would really enjoy going to. Really nice park for the small town location, and a very nice surprise, a visit that I will never forget. Thanks for following us around this park. We're back in the car, and we have about a 4-hour drive to Vienna and Vienna Prater, Austria. This is a permanent fun fair-like theme park that has quite the selection of attractions. So, until next time, thank you as always for watching, and see ya.